Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. If today is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. And to my subscribers, you are welcome back. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to register a Binance account and get to enjoy a 10% discount on all your trading fees. Let me show you where to find Binance P2P. First of all, you can click on this big box here that says P2P trading. Another way to find Binance P2P is to click on more on the homepage of Binance. After that, click on trade. Then now, click on P2P. There are lots of P2P traders you can find here. Scroll through and make a choice, especially the verified ones. Another best way I can recommend is using the Express mode. With the Express mode, Binance gives you the best rate and the best merchant available online. Let me show you how to find the Express mode. Click on P2P at the top here. Then click on Express. There are a wide range of cryptocurrencies you can buy, but in this video, I'm going to be buying USDT. I would like to buy 100 cedis worth of USDT. You then confirm purchase after selecting the mode of payment, whether with Vodafone Cash or MTN mobile money. After clicking on confirm purchase, your order will be successfully created. Before making the payment, you can chat with the merchant to find out how they want to receive the payment from you. I will then click on chat. The merchant sent a message to me to drop my number and allow cash out. So I'll go ahead and send him my number. After doing that, I'll go onto my mobile money and allow cash out. After the cash out has been successfully allowed, I'll then go back to the Binance app and wait for the OTP code to approve withdrawal from my mobile money account. I can now enter my mobile money PIN then send. Now the cash out has been made successfully. After that, I'll click on make payment. Then click on transfer, notify seller. In a space of 5 minutes, our crypto will be released. Our USDT has finally been released and deposited into our funding wallet. That is how to buy crypto with Binance P2P. Thank you for watching. Peace out.